We're on the record in cause number 327644, the state of Texas versus Brittany Sims. Ms. Sims, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Sims, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Sims, you may put your hand down. How you doing, Ms. Sims?
All right.
That's good, Ms. Sims. The information states that on or about July 29th of 2020, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, you were charged with the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. You understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No, sir.
Now, you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Sims, I have before me what is marked as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
It's the misdemeanor plea admonishment. Now, on page 2 of the same document, are these your initials on the line that says no contender?
Yes, sir.
And on the next page of this document, is this your signature above the line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
I have another document before me. This document is titled the Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Ms. Sims, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
There are two boxes that's checked at the top of this document. The first box says that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box says that you're waiving, which means you're giving up your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And they had a discovery certification. Is that it, right?
That's
I have before me another document that is titled the discovery certification. Ms. Sims, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is that your signature on the second line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Sims, prior to signing and initialing these documents, did your attorney, Mr. LeBlanc, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1. Would you like to offer State's 1?
Yes, Your Honor. And I'd also like to offer State's Exhibit Number 2, that's the PC affidavit from this case.
You have any objections on State's Exhibit?
Objections to 1 or 2.
Okay. No objections. State's Exhibits Number 1 and 2 are admitted. Mr. LeBlanc, you've advised that counsel, Ms. Sims. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
Ms. Sims, your attorney, Mr. LeBlanc, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Sims, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea of no contest and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. It's for 2 days credit for time served and tax and retire the court costs.
Ms. Sims, the state is offering that you serve 2 days in Jefferson County Jail. You've already served 2 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be given credit for time served. If you owe any court costs on this case, you will not have to pay the court costs because the time that you stayed in jail has already paid the court costs off. Therefore, your court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. Sims, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Sims, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you've entered into with the state. Sims, you can stand over here on the exit next to your attorney and follow the directions of the clerk and have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.